Hey y'all, Adam here with No Idea, and welcome to another episode and another installment of Pound the Bottoms. Today I'm heading up about 30 miles north-ish of Eau Claire. Got a little bit of a late start today. Of course, I went over to pick up my pole from my brother, who likes to use my Free Fall Ghost Black Betty and tickle stick, and go figure, Aaron left me with hardly any line on reel. So I had to make a quick stop at Farm and Fleet, grab some more line, but now we're on our way. But here's a little secret for y'all. Those of you who do not have any idea, like I don't, show up late. I'm about 2 hours behind the rest of the guys that I'm fishing with today, and here's what's awesome about that is they've already set up the hub. It's nice and warm, and then my plan is to leave early too, so then I don't have to take anything down. So come along, see if we can't catch some fish today. We're getting close. Those of you who fish in northern Wisconsin will likely recognize this place. It's a pretty popular place. People out on the ice already, and then there's your trucks. Hey, so 1/3 of these are mine, right? Sweet. Fun's here. Fun's here.
Oh, is that what you had to walk up the hill 5 times for it?
Can you just lay those up? Sweet. Got a hole already for me?
2.
See what I said? Show up late. It's nice and warm in here. Everything's all set up. I don't have to do anything.
We got the echo for it.
Yeah. Maybe don't say that too loud. It won't be effective.
It would be fun if I caught something.
What?
It would be fun if I caught something. I got shit going on right here. So that's a wrap. Been on here for about 3 hours. I got skunked. Those guys, as you saw, Joe and Dan caught a few. So I'm heading home. A little bummed, but they call it fishing and not catching, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out our website, noidea.tv. Pick up a t-shirt for the Hunt of a Lifetime campaign for us. Yeah, good talk. See you out there.